Hi, I'm Kevin with Angle Environmental, here today in front of one of our regenerative thermal oxidizers, or RTOs, to talk about something that's critical to the performance and longevity of these air pollution control systems: preventative maintenance evaluations. Thermal and catalytic oxidizers are built to destroy volatile organic compounds and hazardous air pollutants safely and efficiently, often running 24/7 in demanding industrial environments. But like any piece of complex equipment, they need care. That's where our preventative maintenance evaluations, or PMEs, come in. A preventative maintenance evaluation is a comprehensive inspection performed by our trained field technicians. We go through every major component, from the combustion chamber and ceramic media to valves, actuators, dampers, burner systems, and controls. The goal is simple: catch small issues before they turn into big problems. During a PME, our team checks valve timing, inspects pneumatic lines for leaks, verifies burner performance, and ensures your airflow balance is optimized. Do you have an oxidizer with an emission concentrator? No worries, we service those too. Angle's service team performs PMEs not only on our own oxidizers, but also on systems from other manufacturers, any make or model. In fact, in the average year, we service hundreds of thermal and catalytic oxidizers manufactured by over 25 different competitors. So whether your oxidizer has been running for 6 months or 16 years, a preventative maintenance evaluation is the best way to maximize performance, extend lifespan, and minimize costly downtime.